How to turn off activity status on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go to your Instagram application here, and then it will lead you to your home page. Now on the bottom part, you will see different options there. You'll see home page, the search icon, the plus icon, the reels, and then your profile. Then tap on profile and it will lead you here to your profile. Now on the upper part, you will see three dash lines there, the burger sign. Tap on that and go to settings. Now under settings, go to privacy, and here it will look like this. Now what I want you to do next is to go to the interactions section and scroll all the way down up until you see the activity status there. It's actually under guides and above messages. So tap on activity status. Now, as you can see, I have turned on the activity status. So my activity is shown to all accounts that I follow and anyone that I message to see when I am last active. Now, let's say you want to turn off activity status, so just toggle that off. Then now you have successfully turned off your activity status on Instagram. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Instagram application to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.